Hello everyone. Oh, sorry. Acne problems, we all have those, right? Anyways, do you know what a gnat is? A gnat is those pesky little flying insects in the fly grouping. Do you want to know how to get rid of them with a home remedy? Well, here, let me show you. All you need is a few simple ingredients. You need sugar, apple cider vinegar, and dish soap. Any dish soap will work. So you grab a mason jar, or you can use a bowl, a water bottle, cut it in half, put some plastic wrap on top or a saran wrap. I just used a little plastic Ziploc bag. And look at that. They are all just piled in there. Beautiful, right? You can also use those yellow sticky fly traps. Those are also very effective.